What's up, YouTube? What's up? We back with another video, man. We here on the Bit Finance channel. Today is April 1st. It's Tuesday. It's currently 8:18 a.m. And I gotta make this video kind of fast. All right. Price is sitting at $84.1 thousand. Bitcoin is getting back to that 84. Really, that it's trying to break above its midterm resistance here at 84.3K. We look like, or it looks like our other resistance area is still around 91.5K. If we can break above this area and we can hold above this 84K area and use it as support, I do see us targeting this 91, 92K area. But just because, how long it's been so far for us to really get back to this range, I still don't have, 100% faith in the fact that we can really get above and hold just yet. I will have to wait and see and look at the candles that's being produced, what the market's doing, what the S&P is doing. It's just a lot of factors that go into it. But in the meantime, we can only focus on what's in front of us right now. And it looks as though prices is building 4-hour candles to get above this area. Me personally, I do like 4-hour candles just for the simple fact that I like to day trade. So I prefer to get in within that day, and max 1 to 2 days I like to be out. I really don't like to hold trades that long, or I haven't done it yet. So it just hasn't become my style. So mainly I like to be in a trade for a day. Cool, I make $100, $200. I bet I'm out of that. If I get a really nice move and I'm able to expand and maybe make 800, 900, okay, cool. That's a good day for me. Some days I don't make nothing. Some days I lose money, but that's just the nature. That's the game of trading. So yeah. In the meantime, I am just pretty much observing this area right here. We have the potential to do what Bitcoin typically does. It'll come up here, get everybody thinking that we are going up, and just ultimately shoot back down, right? So basically fake out. But that's why it's key to have candle closes. You have confirmation candles that just point to the direction in which the market is truly moving in. Yeah, I was in a trade yesterday. I was selling Bitcoin like somewhere around this area. I think it started on Sunday, and I just held it entirely too long, and it was a bad day to trade because I know I don't normally. Did I trade on Monday? I think I traded on Monday. Oh yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Monday. But I saw, yeah, yep, because I saw these 4-hour candles pointing downward, and I saw that this was our resistance area right here. So I used this right here. I had my stop loss, not right here. I had my stop loss like right. Did I have it right here? Yeah, I think I had my stop loss somewhere around here. Really, I honestly think I had it right there, just to be truthful with you. I think I had it right here. Yeah, and I was like, let me just go ahead and take cut my loss. So I just cut my loss. I'm like, all right, I'll eat that. I'll take that one on the chin, because I know when price gets to moving in the actual direction, I'm gonna capitalize on it. I'm gonna make more money than I lost, and it's gonna just make up for it. So I'm not too worried about that. That's the name of the game. It's called trading. Sometimes you win. Sometimes you lose. You want to win bigger. That's just the whole premise of it. That's how you make money in this market, in this game. So we're just gonna keep it moving. But in the meantime, I do like how price is somewhat creating lower highs. So boom, or higher lows. So boom, you got first higher low, then you got the second one right here. So that's pretty good, at least in the short to medium term time frame. So if we are able to get back above here and continue this bullish momentum, because we have 4-hour candles pointing upward, that is pretty good. I mean, if you want to enter a trade, that's your business. You can have a stop loss right here, ride it up, point it to here. That's if you're into the day trading, right? That doesn't look like a bad move, but I also want to see what the S&P is going to do, so we can go ahead and jump into that. We can see that price ended up dumping down. What was that? That was Friday. Yeah, that was also Friday. But Monday looks like we dipped below and we came back and tested this area. Now the question is this a test to get back above this area, or is this just ultimately a test of resistance and we continue back down? So of course, you just got two options. We're gonna roll with that. You got Ethereum that dipped back below into the support range right here, and it could be pushing up. You have Solana, same thing, could be pushing up support range, and I'm pretty sure it's the same with Doge. I'm not 100%, but I just see boom. Now, thing is, like, you want to see just sharp momentum. Like, if this is true, if this is a true test of this area, you want to see price move up pretty fast. That's the bullish narrative. But if you don't see price continuing to like explode and push forward, then 9 times out of 10, just off of my personal experience, I see price faking out or just rolling over. Boom, coming back down, right? So it can't get people hopes up, but hey, that's the market. It shakes people out. It takes out people with weak hands. If you don't got strong hands, or if you're not like fully convicted of the move that you're in, then maybe you shouldn't be trading. And that's just, I'm really speaking to myself as well. Like, if I don't like this move right here, don't trade it. Simple, period, point blank. If I don't love it, let me say that. If I don't love it, don't go into the trade. Just chill, just vibe. You got a lot of stuff to do. You can work on your mindset. You can work on your trading plan. You can go to the gym. You can talk to your family. There's so many other things to do. You don't have to put trading like just look at the charts all day. It's not that at all. All you do is, if anything, you go about your day, and once you see something that you like or you see something forming, then you enter. Right? It's just simple as that. Especially if you know what you're doing, if you've been in the market for a long time, and you know you're supposed to wait for your support range or your resistance range. Just chill. You can trade this, but this is so like it's risky. It's risky. So if you want to risk it, sure, by all means, go ahead. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. Let me even say that. So you do what you want with your money. That's fine, but just understand the risk that comes with these types of trades. It's gonna be risky here. Okay, cool. Are you able to handle that risk? Are you over leveraging? Are you putting too much money down? Like, all these things come into play in the business of trading, right? So just keep that in mind. It's Tuesday. We approaching the middle of the week. We still early in the week. Y'all continue to have the correct mindset. Have a great day. You know what I'm saying? Impact somebody's life. Talk to your mama. Talk to your grandma. Talk to your dad. Connect with your family, your brothers, your sisters. Be a better person. Just, do the right shit. Just be a good person, right? That's all I can say, man. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. Y'all be blessed.